via donirowa kenirisi via doniri diaspora keniri Nigeria abi yomo nori kugba we ijomo wahin wanawe egbe no sunu na ogevu wa sunu da no bia si o ti yo ke no bia ti ebo yo wiye ke no bia advocate yo ele ma do pon wa ya ki via do no mu da ke youth ni rowa ke ni risi no mu da ke we evni a we na ma ile ma do pon wa ya tu wa to tu wa ma wa gbo
Isa.
no be mu dia nu wa we mi nu wa e we wa
Isa.
enu wa ri you boy to agba
Isa.
wa ni rewe bo no ma se we bo akuwa ba
Isa.
no rewe bo wa mi wa ri bi to
Isa.
do bo polo kere o sa lo ba omo iwa egbere
Isa.
o wenu wa ye we bo wa we ya so wa wo no ro wa ri so wa
Isa.
no yi ma la dia no ya meti o te mo gbe na re Odudu no ya meti o te me ni re Odudu is because of even if you do when you are in my video ya ma imia so call him so we not see any name we call so we go we go record so ima own no do come so he we call him roba you might understand so what that day pala e wa fian because Imani Boon they record you so I saw him here with social media where Imani Boon him even medo tabana he were my main problem with Atiti, even problem with Atiti,
Yes.
Gele, main problem with Atiti. The only problem where Atiti or you boys see a problem in our area. A problem in our area. Atiti call him every phone. In my way go or he going over Titi or walking me. Because I know what I'm saying. You'll be okay, or my ọmọ ọdọ bo ama wo ọmọ eje kopa de uwo wa mi oji epo wara ana ogwe mi ọmọ do eke opa de ọmọ lele because I'm a discipline man ọmọ do eke opa de ani la ni ma ya yo you might understand me and tell any I know I married my wife what they were saying is a prank lie so and I say okay no problem since we are in abroad doing this thing no problem whatever dokpa I handed it there ona be tie me ogbe ni tam Odudu no ya mu ebo ni tam Odudu no ya vembo na we wo me I was insisting na where me wetana e we bo we awa ayekin ade he was insisting na ya mu ebo no Odudu ya mu ebo Odudu amu ebo eri yan gbe ni am a problem you know Odudu saw the video no we ni ya mu ebo Odudu na amu ebo Odudu was not ready to even swear Odudu kamu emo we dem enuta yin egbe domata no sakewe kotalobua we ori a trigger when Odudu ya mu ebo no ya mu ebo because he was very sure of what he was saying. That's Atiti. He was very sure of what he was saying. Ona we no ya mu ebo. So for this guy not to offend me,
Yes.
you understand? For me not to have background this guy now ona mu ebo. Odudu na mu ebo ona do tie yo. Odudu to your boy on a narrative of where you ye. Hero wa total over wa problem in it. Even know Atiti na nuwagana ma we me gbe wa hotel. Atiti my family man. Ama na wa we gunye gun no we ogunye gun lo pe am no ko no. Eyan ro pa me ma eyan de. I don't know if you understand. No be owo kan wo ki me na e la de wo wa mo ro pa ma ye party o wan. You might understand. I'm not be social media. It might be I get here. Equal value, you won't buy Canada. No, they Canada ni oku nede. Anything. I mean, boni my have of any ari mina. Na we no be eke. He come on any wo no. Because he buy here but no ve. Ye to be we down when be ready where no. So I'm a traditional man. I'm a me every year lad me want do atamuwa. The ave give man wa na we ogugu we ti ye. Ade ana ria be. Ugu ave mo yo to a family we here do gwa no imagine ya we before he can meet another man. a baby radio or a young come help eva you might not understand because moreover okona or suffer lele when I go na who be there you suffer but me e we bo do na 24 hours as obi ya pass on ya lawa the next day up I don't know if you understand me I not popular me he consult
Yes.
every case of no die me often na so every one where who get you lize yen ni wonu ade but what you understand until when you grow and get there you might not understand in me mudia never my that be o ge tamu wa mi o pe ohun o pe ya mi so ku you might not understand me o pe abeyo o wo ke we ni ya wo wi me on collect ne o wo ke planning ni or you baby on my spirit is too strong and what you understand now, let me end it there. Atiti, I know the verse for you. I was angry at you because of the way you don't know me before, you don't know my family. You just wake up, you want to have followers, you want to get money or whatever you are doing, you are using me, me. My brother, I don't see try for this Benin now. Okay. I don't deserve this kind of thing. I don't deserve it. For sweet, I dey game. For natural power, I dey game. I train and have a bet, a medal for this state. I represent this state for years. Now in Mecca, some people they talk. I will say I will beat you, I will disgrace you. Why they talk now? Because I believe on my natural power. I don't carry people make them say, hey, Wagbe, never. You are a man like me, I will engage you. Most of the way they talk, they know me. I don't know if you understand. Atiti, I'm using this video to tell my brothers and sisters both in diaspora and in Benin. I don't have anything with you. What you said, what you know, where tell me no, na ya mwebo, wawe na ya tiebo, ana ya tiebo. Since uwebe webo na tie, or imedo to affect you or whatever, ala tiebo ne, everybody will rest. Nobody. Motivator mo anywhere area do if you come they go beat you, they will eliminate you. Ọmọ náà tiẹ̀ bọ̀ na bóyá kòkò tiẹ̀ bọ̀ náà ọ̀nyọ̀wùwà àbùn àwòtọ́ de yọ. Àti ẹ̀ bọ̀ náà mọ̀rẹ́dọ̀ gbúwẹ́ à dúdú owó yọ̀mọ̀ bọ̀ àbí what? I can never even do that. Uwàrẹ́ èrè náà ewúdò wẹ́ emadu understand because everyone see the family man is too much. Even when the Messiah na waba ore obiere arere iwisu obe mwebo obe ve obe abe ayi ede obe ayi obe ve before me no be another nyan nkedi lawa. This is the woman I trust because of the Benin tradition. Because atewagwa you egbe ebo ayasin the ba unde imi owa.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand. When we were able and saw the rubbish in the water, oku innocent wife no be more ya suffer rundeme why you know what why are you anywhere. You might understand. Meto bi me we were dey do na ibe ki okin to oku na oge yan bai iye no bu mi yo o ga ba we dey iye ma kekan gba ke tin obi edokin obi edo eyin obi sese is outside is Yoruba is a Ghana. I make a woman na maila. So when the time Odudu mwebo, you will not do ya mwebo. For Odudu not to offend me. Nedo here where Odudu me Odudu have to play himself. Or you do ya mwebo when he was insisting. I don't know if you understand. Okay, where at Yebon where it's normal. I don't know I don't know if you understand. You salobwa. So other way I remember that is a blank lie. Okay. But in yedo wa mwa yo kwegbe azoe. All that for ke bele buya wegbe we mi odo ame. That zoe. Ordinary robopa. We have we azoe. Ere no ku no ba oge. We azoe is Benin tradition. Because a traditional man making Oge Bonatie is a man I can call Odudu like boy na. Ebi yana we no iniga yazo Wahianzo maybe okoko be don go ya be. Say anything. It might not understand because obi egbehi awanihi. I cannot take it. Obi opa me can take. Almost dozo. And other way agbu osalobu agbu mi dan. Oba ne wo ya te bona me go see emi. Any one here awo are mi obi odo me bo. It might not understand. No wala ogba ni tagwe ore ri ari humiliate eri awon na imo bowo e ma ya no ti e bo me no ri e mo e ma gbero pade e ma fi opa ni de be to pa wa ke e de ni mi o de ni o ma wo e ile fun ni won o ma ni be egbe I don't know if you understand. So no wala wa ni be do no fi we maybe tabo we or maybe one kind no okuonu nu ba oge obi every day ya vie every day ya apologize ya beg e la ro kan mo ri ewe yan wo wanu kin e igo ni la wo gba we moment. I don't know if you understand. Look at the problem and trauma you have brought to my family while I'm sitting on my own. I don't I don't know if you understand. Ona egbo wa na we gbo wa ore agbo emulate wa do televise no when we are seeing a record okuna oge bayo la idozo na la bopa yai awanimu yo just like that turning gbera they no go no run we ba oge no wo ki me are before me kele lele awe mi odun ane o be ju la me before me no conscious me ikele clear because you want a conscious me clear through that woman o ya ni eyo double ya ni eyo awo oga ba ko na iya mi regbe e ni breaking na mi regbe so when you need your suspected innocent woman no my way here e ni dan your out there oh me trust up won is anybody o tagbona so my brother ile le Atiti my menzo ima Atiti there I've never met Atiti in my life but what I mean I go in Benin tradition there's a way we do things without quarrel as in wetin quarrel wan come achieve for inside this thing or that quarrel I want to get this he say me fight since all this truth wey una dey see so if I no dey come out now people be don dey believe them now no be everything dem dey use fight dey do so my brother I just come out here come clear myself say dem beat Atiti no I don't know if you understand me but Atiti need to come and do the needful. This is not all about beating. I'm doing this in social media. The whole world is watching. Please, my brother, do me no tell me how you talk to them.
Eternal ya fe ni ro wa kenirisi kenire doke ya ika abok mo wa zeve on no wa dere na me no chief Odudu. Otono no jion ti yen mo bi na. E bo boni awu vi kere ni wa de eya yin ya. So point on a work heke or ten a day. Now the minimum man borrow down no man mean woman never bonyan boma. Why I answer video of a do aramu de bama ebo araya si and yegbere. It's on my only man view wine Atiti if you're dono. Why you have a no real working no risi no see no makwe no you are not seeing wa. Oma wo dudu seti wona egbera no wo wono ma e wa ya kinga me alawo da wa ya kinga me you ni doju wan itan e so le ta here o ze gba le 1 million 20 million ima opa ima eva e no hiwe era rela o na we yi ni e le de ko to ra be no yo ya ye gbagbon o ye na hin emi ni na ti eni tẹ̀wọ́n òde náà mú ìyọ̀wó fẹ́ràn ní náà ọkẹ́ nà títí wá dé lọ́dọ̀ ìwẹ́rẹ́ nà òwẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìwẹ́ nílé nà òwẹ̀dọ́ nà lẹ́nu ló ti mẹ́nà èmi àwọn wà lóde àmàmẹ́wà Odudu ọyẹ ẹ̀bọ́n ní lára wà bí asẹ́ni ẹ̀yà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́yọ̀ mọ̀ màá ń rìn ọ̀pá náà mú rírí náà ń gbàgbàgbà rẹ̀ sálẹ̀ bẹ̀ náà Atiti ẹ̀yìn wò wẹ́ mẹ̀gbọ́n lọ ìnáwó wà lórí 10 million náà wà lórí 20,000 náà wà lórí anything ìlú náà but ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ sí ẹ̀mà wà náà ya ní náà yá bà wọ́n wọ́n ní nọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ní èkè náà lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ewé ẹ̀wọ́n tàgbélé náà wọ́n bá yẹ tó bí ẹ̀rẹ́ gbogbo ìwé ìwọ̀n máa ṣe ní ọ̀wẹ́ àámú èrè náà máa pányá ẹ̀fà yọ̀rọ̀ gbé ọkẹ́ náà yẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ sí ẹ̀yẹ̀ gbére ọ̀tẹ́ rẹ̀ Atiti ìwé dóyà níláàjì yẹn ìrìbí media wàyà ní gbé báyìí ìyẹn ìwà kàkàbọ̀ pọ̀ mú wà èmi náà rí àwọn mímà èmi náà máa náà sẹ́ ìmà gbọ́ bá bẹ̀lẹ̀ méjì ọ̀rọ̀ àmọ́ ìgbéró náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú kẹ̀kẹ́ màá rìn yàn pa ni màá ó náà sí ni màá rìn màá yọ̀ wà náà wú èmi náà ma ẹ̀yìn mẹ̀rún ìmẹ̀rún lè ní wàyà ní fi ẹ́ èmi lè yàn lè yà ni ní àdúgbò ẹ̀yọ́ mú mẹ́ sọ̀kún mímẹ́ra rẹ tí ẹ náà ọ̀kẹ́ kẹ́ni dẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ nìyẹn gbẹ̀dẹ́ yìí àwọn ẹ̀rù ní ọ̀rẹ́ àtìtí ilé ta kẹrẹ rẹ yìí kan pa ọ̀rọ̀ ta rò ní sún ènì rẹ̀ wọ́n wé nílé ènì náà ṣeré àmọ̀ràn gbótọ̀ náà wáyà ìbọn lọ wà lè bẹ́ kó dẹnu dé ènì náà kẹ́kẹ́ oníṣẹ́ tí wọ́n bà fún ọ̀nà rẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ̀ náà òye náà wé ni màmá rẹ̀ làjà ní nídìá ọ̀mà ọ̀ tẹ̀sán rírọ̀ gbóhùn ènì náà kẹ́kẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ lẹ́rọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ kọ́ mẹ́tì fún ìyẹn ènì náà yíyárí abẹ́tàrí ìyàwó wa agbẹnu de wẹrẹ náà fẹkẹ àwọn ẹwẹlẹ abẹjẹ kíkà ìbẹlẹ mi náà fẹkẹ abẹsẹmi ọwọnyẹ ọfọ ọdún mẹnọrọ òsínwé mẹnẹ yìí máa pa máa yẹ va iye tó débi ká olùdáwé ẹsẹ ẹsẹ náà zùwọ àkànàkànà bàbẹ ọkọọrẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìbomú ẹgbẹ yà fẹfẹfẹ ìdí rárá mi má màá lẹ́yìn ẹyẹ ìwé wẹrí màá lẹ́yìn ìgbàdì màá yá dúà lọ ẹyẹ tọ́ ẹ̀rọ náà mú bí má ẹyẹ tàbí dúà líbọ náà kó bọ̀ èrè àti tí náà ní ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà yẹn láwò lẹ́yìn ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ social media gbọ́dọ̀ mú gbé nẹ̀wé náà lówó mi náà kẹ́kẹ́ àbẹ̀rẹ̀ náà kẹ́kẹ́ ayé.
líbẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ ó pé anuwa bá òòrè náà Odudu ọ̀tẹ́ mẹ́nìkiri ẹ̀gbọ́pá
kàkàbọ̀
kúrọ̀ pàmàgà
kàkàbọ̀
ẹgbẹ́ ìrẹ́lẹ̀ àsùnú ẹgbẹ́ èèyàn ọ̀kà ẹgbẹ́ fìọ̀
kàkàbọ̀
ọkùn ọ̀mìnbó tó ọkẹ́ tó táyà rí ìrà ẹ̀ nẹ́bà because we are too close ẹ̀yìn ní wàrí má tó gbé kó à ń verify òbí adúlì òbí sòmó bọ̀ mọ́nà òkú náà ká tó ẹ̀rẹ̀ tó the first greeting in Benin Kingdom or BM the first greeting in Benin Kingdom Benin as a whole after my greeting before Lamogun go to Google and do a research so obi ese ki obi ọba eiki wala o èmi na we do we ona o so e boy me no iya o gbo wọn aye anybody or many on igun ani many on obi say I've never done anything to them today Ranomigo is my friend today the Murphy is my friend Albert inova arobi eme we mi ya igbaga dekun e ba san igbaga mi e be piku of the way to it obo Albert in wa mi ni beni eri una iye do awewe na mi ewe etro pagun yen ọmọ ige ọkẹ ọkọta ló bọ erita ẹsẹ wa wẹsi
wa ye fe ni yan ye ya na o saluku ma yan ori e very papa ọba ọtọpẹ yìí